Kia ora e te iwi, kei konei mātou mō ngā uiui ki te tai openga o tūpare toa. Nō reira, ko wai koe, no hea koe.
Ko te atiwika rahau no Tūrangi.
Oh, dude. No te kura
O Hirangi.
Oh, no te kura o Hirangi e whama. And our question for her today is, who do you go to when you need support?
My family.
Who are we?
Cruz.
Oh, kei tōku taha ko Cruz. And where did you come from?
Tūrangi.
Tūrangi, tui te whama. Okay, my question to you today is, what does a safe space for rangatahi look like?
A marae.
Oh, and why is that?
Because it's a hapu.
Who are you?
Kiri kotua.
And where did you come from today?
Tūrangi.
My question to you today is, what do you feel is missing for our rangatahi in this community?
Sports.
Who do we have here?
Uarewa.
Oh, Uarewa, nō reira. Where did you come from?
Tūrangi.
Dui, it's Tūrangi anō e whama. So my question to you today is, what does a safe space for rangatahi look like?
Being around your loved ones.
Ooh, and what do you love the most about your loved ones?
The attention they give to me.
Oh, ātāhua e whama, nō reira koiranga ui mo te wane.